This is John with WTI. And this Clamato cocktail just brings me a little bit into my childhood. My dad used to drink this every time after one of the meals. I would ask my dad, like, why? Now I understand it. But this Clamato cocktail is like a nice tomato juice that at the same time has this little bit of feeling of lemon and it's a bit salty. But it's weird, or it could sound weird, but I've used this to create to bring down the sweetness of sauces. I've used this for cooking. I've used this like even for you can actually do whatever you want with it. But this is for mixing cocktails or just like drink it straight. And this is a beverage that I get to have and I enjoy it. It feels really good. It's easy to for me to go and digest it. In my personal opinion, this has been like one of the best options for me to drop down a little bit on the sugar. And the taste, the flavor, and the versatility with this, it's awesome. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.